Do I ever make stuff that's not cool?
Maya!
Where is it going?
Wow.
No, what the?
Get some holy water and sprinkle it on it, and maybe we can see some good
Amen.
shining coming through.
What is up? What is up, guys? It's Ava. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, an amazing week, and I hope everything's going swell. If it's not, I'm reaching out, giving you a hug. Today we're gonna be talking about the angriest of people. People so angry, they get on their phones, they get on their computers, and they post hate comments. Mean, angry comments. Everyone out there that's putting themselves out there into the world, showing themselves, doing what they love, they're going to get criticism by angry people. Mean-spirited comments. Just angry people putting their opinions on stuff they don't need to have opinions on. I always like to preach, don't let anyone's opinions stop you from running the game. But of course, I am human too, and sometimes I get angry over hate comments as well. So today I thought that I would challenge myself to break the mold of just that is my ice machine. Anyway, today I'm going to be turning my hate comments into DIY streetwear fashion. I'm always looking for things that are really unique that I don't have to spend money on. Usually stuff that's like super unique and like different is really expensive. So today I'm just going to DIY it. Today's video is sponsored by Angry Birds in celebration of Angry Birds' 10th anniversary, which is insane. Angry Birds is partnering with UNICEF on their Bring the Anger initiative. They want to show you that if you turn your anger in the right direction, you can use it as a source for good. You guys, 27 million children are out of school and in conflict zones. UNICEF works every single day to make sure that these kids are safe and learning. Last year, UNICEF helped 6.9 million children to continue to learn amidst crisis. During November, Angry Birds 2 is challenging players to pop 10 billion pigs. As a result, they're going to channel all of that pig popping anger into $100,000 for UNICEF's Education and Emergencies Fund. Pretty dang cool, I'm here for that. Click the link in the description box to download Angry Birds 2 and contribute to this amazing cause. Guys, I'm playing too, and I'm really excited to be a part of this project. Also, extra, Angry Birds sent me some electric scooters, which I've been actually dying to own one, and I'm actually gonna be participating in a rage race with a bunch of other YouTubers. Lexi Hensler is involved, so I'm gonna see her there, so keep an eye out for that. But yeah, let's get into this video. Give this video a big thumbs up for channeling all of that angry energy into positivity and doing something cool with it. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Check out the vlog from today. I will post that in the description box below. I've been vlogging weekly. Let's go change some hate comments. But first, I'm gonna show you guys my scooter because it's cool. Okay, let's go. All right, so these are the boxes. They got here like a couple days ago. Look at it!
Bring the anger.
Oh my God. Should I drop it? Should I get angry? Like last time?
Oh.
It's so heavy.
Oh gosh, oh, there she goes. Yeah,
Okay, we've got the booklet right here. It's 2019 and everybody's angry. Speaking straight facts. Anger here, anger there, anger everywhere, with nowhere good to go. Oh my God, this is so dark, but honestly, I'm here for it. They did not add Area 51 in this. These are my people. Okay, we've got our helmet, right? Of course. I'm gonna try.
The louder you yell, the faster it goes. What? What?
Imagine me in the middle of the street
screaming.
screaming. They're gonna think I'm a crackhead.
Yeah. Oh my God, there's a microphone.
There's a helmet!
Gosh. Hi, Mom.
That's not how you
That's
did it.
definitely not how you do it.
This is so fun!
That was so
Oh.
Oh.
I think it's like the thrill of the wind in your hair, so it just does something to you. Wait, Maya,
What?
you should go back to the house alone and prank Mom.
No. So her heart could stop. We're not right here. Let's go.
Fine. I did a wheelie.
You did?
Mm-hmm. So first we need to find the hate comments. I haven't prepped any. I'm gonna go on Instagram. Let's find an explicit photo.
Okay.
Those always get the comments. No hate, but I thought Ava had a fun, happy personality, so when I see this, it looks strange. What does that even mean?
That's too soft.
Well, we're gonna find a bunch. Ava has lose her clothes.
That's not hate. That's a fact.
Do you know kids are on this app? That could be a cool sweater. Why show this, Ava? Why?
This isn't hate. This is like people asking you questions. Find some good stuff.
What are you
Believe it.
looking
I
for?
don't
What kind of hate?
believe
Wait,
it.
wait. So there's this one account that really does not like me and Brent together. I remember what the account was, and I think I sent screenshots to
Wait,
Ben.
did you block them?
No, I don't block people. I'm not a little bitch. but I remember her username. It was...
I'm waiting for the tea.
I found it! I found her! I found all the screenshots. You're not cute, so stop. No wonder why you're single, because you're a psychopath. I wish you would die.
Oh my.
Who would want you, ho? Oh yeah, a desperate 75-year-old man. Psychopath.
Oh my god.
How does this make you feel, Mom?
They need love in their life. They need Jesus. Reach out and touch somebody's hand.
Clingy ho.
Okay, but did they lie?
Where's the soap? This girl, her mouth. Oh my God.
You look like a man. Yikes. Your outfits suck too. Can't sing, and your expensive shoes are ugly. Yikes. This is my favorite one. I hope you get expired sushi. That
That's a
needs to
shirt.
be on a sweatsuit. I'm going to take you to your deathbed. Oops. With the monkey emoji.
She said, and I oop. So it's a Visco girl.
Oh my gosh. We've narrowed it down. Honestly, we can make a lot out of that. Imagine if we found her mother. Lead me into the prayer.
Holy Father, we come to you today to pray for this baby that has lost her way. You could hear the pain in her written words. It's a storm, Lord. Try to bring her out of this tragedy, Lord, because through all this pain, I'm sure there's a diamond in the rough. I can't see it yet, Lord. It's down there, Lord, in that dirt. Dig it up, Lord. Get some holy water and sprinkle it on it, and maybe we can see some good
Amen.
shining coming through. I don't know, Lord. It might be a rock. It might be a rock. Oh my God. But we're praying for a diamond, Lord. We're praying for a diamond.
No one's a rock. No one's a rock. We love her. We're sending especially extra love to her. Let's make some streetwear out of her fabulous comments. Come on, Kendra.
Why are you rubbing her? Oh, yep. There it is.
It's now like 8:30 p.m. I'm gonna work on these DIYs. Tomorrow, we'll have like a little photo shoot. Oh, we didn't get any spray paint!
Oh.
Or stencils.
What time do they close?
Oh my god, we have to go.
What
We have
time
to
do
go
they
right
close?
now, Maya. We have
Okay, we're
to. We have to go.
To my goals.
Wait, Maya. We literally have 6 minutes.
Okay, how are we gonna? There's actually no way.
Yes, there's a way. Come on, come on, come on.
Come on. Open the gate.
Holy
This is not safe. I haven't even put on my seatbelt.
You're gonna get the spray paint. White spray paint, that's all, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna get the stencils.
Okay.
Wait, hold my iced coffee so I can maneuver through the traffic. How could you love
This is not the time.
babe?
I'm stressed.
I'm stressed. I have to sing Weekly Crash. Show me love in the
Okay,
worst
this is a
way.
mental breakdown.
There's no spots.
You passed the spot. Okay guys, so we're looking for white spray paint. That's what my sister wants. She also wants to get black and red. So my tactic, I think I'm gonna ask a worker just to like speed up the time.
My keys got stuck in the seat, and I was like, I felt like I was in a horror movie. I was like,
We're fine.
Okay,
Everybody's
we're good,
like
we're good.
chilling in here. They're coming.
There's a flat white there. Breeze here.
Let's get started. Don't care about the fumes. Right, Bree?
Yeah.
Let's get these fumes going.
You know,
It's Saturday night, am I right?
let's see if it works.
Oh, Jesus!
Oh, this is the black. It has a white lid,
But
Maya.
guess what?
How am I
It's
supposed to
black.
know?
That smells so bad.
No, it doesn't. You're
It does. No, I'm not.
We're gonna die. It smells like cherry.
It's just not. People are never even gonna see this video because we're all gonna die. So we're gonna make it onto the internet.
Ow!
Do you even know what you're doing?
This
Like,
is cool. Oh my god, I can like write something on
I
it.
thought that's what you were gonna do the whole time. Now you're
what were
here
you-
spraying dots on
Okay,
it.
update.
So you go get a mask. You go make me sit here and shake this. Get a mask for yourself so that you're safe.
Okay.
We're all gonna die.
We're not gonna
Fumes.
die.
Well, if you see this video and never get out, that's because I never edited it. 'Cause this one, I don't know.
Oh, I messed it
Oh,
up.
and it's dripping.
Oh,
I mean, that's
no.
kind of cool.
Wait.
Now it's kind of cool.
No,
You're messing it up.
It's not cool.
It's
Maya.
Wow. Cute. The dripping looks edgy.
See, look, it's gonna go on real nice on this. Why is it looking like that?
Maybe because it's spray paint on fabric.
Why is it dissolving into
Okay,
the damn fabric?
are you-
It's literally disappearing, Maya. Where is it going?
How's that happen?
Honestly, it smells so horrible. And here your eyes do look a little like you're high.
It's literally toxic.
Is it really?
No, it's not good for you. Oh my god.
I was really
joint
excited about the spray paint.
We getting somewhere?
So you're turning hate comments into DIYs. Fail. It's kind of cool, yeah.
Wait, fix that little spot right there.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh man, I'll throw the skirt away.
Can you mess up
Do
my
not.
red right
Do
now?
not.
I will kill you!
What are you doing? What was that?
You're stupid.
No!
Start right there.
Oh, it's too
It's
big!
fine. Just make the jeans.
Maya, how are you gonna fit and
You
ugly?
made this.
No! What is that? You didn't do that! You didn't even make that much space between the eyebrows! Stop, it's gonna be cute! It's harder than it looks. Go for it.
That's what you did for the E. What is that?
Go for it.
What is that? I'll bring it home right
Bring it
now.
home, I will.
Okay.
Ew! Maya!
It's cute.
Ew!
Oh my god, what are these comments?
They just put the apostrophe before the E.
That's
And I know what you do. You said, it's the fumes! I'm so intelligent! She goes, I put the apostrophe. The apostrophe goes before the R, not the E.
Come on, settle.
I'm scared.
You should be.
do it.
Oh, she sticks the landing.
I could do
That's
this.
the Z. Shush!
It's kind of cursive.
Yeah, you like that. It's cursive. That's what I was going for.
Yeah, I'll bring it.
No!
Stop my
Stop it!
Dude, my ink was fine.
Not gonna lie.
Oh, there it is, Bree.
I need to know where I'm going with everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
It drives
It's a
the price
collab.
up.
Yeah.
Nice.
Solid. I
We're
just spray
literally
painted.
hotboxing this with just spray paint.
Good morning. It is day 2 of the Turning Your Hate Comments into Streetwear challenge. Things aren't looking too hot. I basically got done one good outfit. Everything else, you know, this video might be a flop. This actually looks so fire on, but I'm not going to put it on until the big reveal. We have this happening.
I think this actually looks good.
Yeah. We've got this jacket that we ruined with spray paint. And then we've got that we ruined with spray paint.
Oh no, I forgot about that one.
We've got these shoes that I started working on. So I'm going to set the clock on my phone for 1 hour, and I'm just going to give myself 1 hour to finish all these DIYs. As you can see, I'm breaking out because I guess I'm stressed out.
Wow, so legible. What a fun video. What is she doing now? Oh gosh.
Leave me alone.
What are you doing?
I'm going rogue.
Ugh, the fumes.
I already got crazy from last night.
Ew. Ew, okay, we'll leave her alone.
Update. It is about 4 hours later. No, it's about like 2.5. We've finished the DIYs. I'm honestly going to say this was the hardest DIY video I have ever done in my life, and I've attempted some crazy things. Honestly, the stuff we made was pretty cute.
Yeah, what
This-
we did end up with, we're proud of.
I'm proud of the stuff we ended up with. I just wish we ended up with more.
Yeah, we had a vision of other stuff that like didn't happen.
I feel
It's
like
in
I
our
lost so many brain cells, and I'm wheezing today. With the stuff that we do have, it's real cute. Let's hop into the showcase. Let's hit it. this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got inspiration on how to just channel angry energy into something good. You guys, it's not worth getting all worked up. It's not worth it, you know? It's not worth it. Listen, if you are living your best life, if you are having fun, if you are doing your thing like no one's watching, you're going to get people that just don't like it for some reason. They just don't like seeing people living their best lives. But we on this channel as a community, we combat that, you know? We don't stand for that stuff with the power of spray paint. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up for just positivity. I'll wait. Take your time. I'm here. I got all day. Like the video. If you guys want to see the vlog from today and just the last couple weeks of my life, click the link in the description box below to my vlog channel. Thank you to Angry Birds for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to download Angry Birds 2 and contribute to this cause, click the link in the description box below. It's amazing. UNICEF is involved. Children are benefiting, and none of those children are posting hate comments, so we stand them. That is it for this video, and I will see you guys next week. Mwah. I love you guys. Bye.